Okay, hi guys. Here's another cool thing to do with Google Sheets. Uh, let's say you have a bunch of numbers like this, and you have some formula to do with this, and you would like that formula to auto grow or auto populate, um, or you would want to basically mm, just make one formula and make that same thing auto populate down. How would you do that? So there's something called as an array formula in Google Sheets. So right now this formula is just simply a multiplication of column A by B, and uh, that's how you get the answer. But if you use array formula, you can actually multiply the entire columns like this. Do you see it says A2 to A13 multiplied by B2 to B13, right? So what this will do is, because this is within the array formula, it will show me this uh, same answer, but for the entire column. It will do it for for each row. So if I want to do it from scratch, I can just do this whole column multiplied by this whole column. And here's a quick tip: you don't need to start with the array formula. As long as you have something here, if you just press Ctrl Shift Enter, it will put the array formula for you, and when you press enter it will just populate in every cell. If you don't have the array formula, this is how it will look. It will just be for one. I'll just undo this quickly. Now a couple of things about the array formula is it does not work for everything, so just try and see if it works, uh, especially for something like sumifs. The plural version, where you can have multiple criteria, it does not work with array formulas. And there are many other such smaller uh, issues with it, but it's definitely very useful. Another thing I really use this for is if I give it an infinite range. What do I mean by that? If I don't put this the ending row number for any of these references, if I'm taking it from B2 or A2 to the end of the B column or end of the A column, then it will calculate for everything. And this is how you can make systems where if you have a new number, you can just get the answer immediately, right? Another simple example is, let's say I don't want to show this infinite number of 000 once because there's no data over here to begin with. I can simply say I can wrap a if function around this. I can say if a2 to a is equal to, so I'll just select, I'll just do it from scratch. So I can actually say if a2 to a is equal to blank, then show me a blank. Otherwise, please do this formula. A2 to a multiplied by a2 to a multiplied by b2 to b, and that's it. That's all we require. And of course we need the array formula for this, because we are not referring to one cell anymore, we are referring to an entire range. So it's very simple. Just press Ctrl Shift Enter and press enter, and there you go. Now if I have any kind of new data here, so let's say this, it will immediately do the calculation, otherwise it will remain blank. And the best part is the data, the formula is only in one cell, and the rest of the cells you cannot really delete. Yeah, I hope you enjoyed this. There will be a lot more on this, but these are the basics of the array formula. I hope you enjoyed this. Thanks.